Hey guys, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Dyna Street Bob. This one is in denim black. Has the smoked out turn signal lenses, front as well as rear. Flush mount license plate frame. It's got the Vance and Hines exhaust, sounds really good. Nice high handlebars, really comfortable. Has the Willie G Derby cover and really comfortable Harley-Davidson seat. This one does run on a fob, so we are keyless. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.